So hello guys, I hope you are all fine and I hope you are doing very well and very creative and very something very extraordinary. All I just want to say that everyone live very extraordinary and healthy life, so he can achieve and he can experience a lot of thing in life, because you can see life is too short. It's very short. I mean, if you live thousands of years, then you're gonna feel just it's like a, so this is why I called that everyone should live each and every other moment, so we can explore the thing, we can have to socialize. You see, after Corona, I don't look environment is too boring, and but what we can do, we can make a content creation. Yes, content creation is the most beautiful and most innovative thing which I am seeing in 2025, and I'm sure you all are doing in your home. Just make content, just make content and upload it. Don't think you gonna face this. I'm doing too, because I watched a lot of video and they advised only just that make content each and every day and just upload it, so you can understand the algorithm, you can understand the YouTube, you understand the process of monetize your channel. And so it's very good to make content creation, and it's become a very good feeling in 2025. So I hope you all are doing it. And also, I'm making content about. I'm making content about English speaking skill, and here you can see that my English is tremendous, outstanding. As you can see, so I hope you are learning, and my audience gonna. I know my audience gonna be 15 or 20 student, 25 student, but in India, lot of people are struggling to speak English. So I am making for you, so you are learning and adopt my skill, so you can speak proper well English. So yes, I'm talking about verb. Yes, I'm talking about verb, and I have took a lot of example, so you can translate in Hindi, so you can speak very well, because at least you have to give half hour at each and every day, so you can improve your skill. It's very necessary that you are giving at least half hour each day. So okay, drive, eat, there are 5 forms of verb, and I'm talking all 5 of these. So okay, drive, drove, driven, driving, drives, ate, eat, eaten, eating, eats, fall, fell, fallen, falling, falls, find, found, finding, find, fly, flew, flown, flying, flies, forbid, forbidden, forbinding. So here you can see that there are the 5 forms of verb, but I will take you that each and every example, so you can understand a better version, because it's very important that you are taking all 5 of these. And don't I'm just these are just example, and you should make, and you should make your creative mind, so you can create a more sentence. But you can pick up any of verb and just practice 2 or 3 example daily. Write in paper, give at least 15 minutes to each sentence. Think that how gonna it make it perfect, because perfection is very important. I mean, the most important thing I think is the perfection. So yeah, you can see drive, he drive, he drove, he driven, he is driving, he drives, he eat, he ate, he eaten, he eating, he eats, he fall, he fell, he fallen, he falling, he falls, he find, he found, he found, he finding, he find, he fly, he flew, he flown, he flying, he flies. Forbid, forbade, forbidden, forbidding. So here you can see that all the examples that you are taking it in, and if you are, if I'm repeating so you can understand very well that look, he drive, he drove, he driven, he driving, he drives. He ate, he eat, he ate, he eaten, he eating, he eats. Here you can see that is the present, is the past, and is the present continuous. It's all about that. You should just have a basic knowledge of tense, basic knowledge of verb, and just I'm not recommend you that every time whenever you speak that you always watch yourself that where this gonna verb is used, where this gonna tense is used. No, it won't work like that. Always you should work about this. I just want that you subconsciously attach to this language so you speak a better well. I mean you speak consistently and fluently without no hesitations. So again, he drive, he drove, he driven, he driving, he drives. He ate, he eaten, he eating, he eats. He fall, he fell, he fallen, he falling, he falls. He find, he found, he found, finding, find. He fly, he flew, he flown, he flying, flies. Forbid, he forbid, he forbade, he forbidden, forbidding. So yes, here you can see that all you are example, and I'm sure you just gonna love my content, and I'm sure you just gonna rock it. So and also I'm just taking a lot of many more content of this particular channel. So please I'm just not I will say this that I will all I'm just that if you just like if you just like my content, and if you are improving your skills daily to daily, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. All I just want to say, so it will boost me, it will motivate me, so I'm making a lot of content, so you gonna understand and you gonna feel much better and much well speaker, because English is just so important thing right now I'm seeing in the world. So here you can see just Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you very much.